So this is going to be kind of a little discussion / rant. And as you could see in the rear bumper here on the driver's side, there was a scratch. And someone scratched me. It wasn't there before 2 days ago. And so someone scratched me without leaving a note or anything. And I guess in this case, it is very, very minor. So maybe he or she decided it wasn't a big deal. They just decided to drive off. And in actuality, I could probably clean that. I could probably get something called Scratch X or whatever product they use that kind of polishes that out, buffs it out or whatever. But I just want to ask you, have you been in a situation where you walk out to your car and you notice kind of a nasty scratch and you think to yourself, why are people so rude? You know, they should probably watch where they're going. They should probably watch how they're driving. Because they're just not being very careful and not being very considerate to other people's things. Now, if you don't care about your car and you have a beater car, maybe you're just going to drive like that, whatever. But you have to realize that there are people that really like their cars. They just want to take care of the things that belong to them and keep it in pristine condition. And I consider myself one of those individuals. And, you know, I just think it's kind of rude that people will do that. They're just not very careful and they're not very alert of what's going on around them, around their surroundings there. And I'm not particularly pissed. I'm just a little bit irritated because I would be more pissed really if it was a massive dent, to be honest. If it was like so bad that it was like, oh, we got to get insurance involved. And then if you do that, you don't know who hit you, obviously, because they ran away. But, you know, so it could be a real mess. It could be much worse. But it's still nonetheless kind of irritating. And if you like your car, it is especially irritating. I do like this car. I do take care of it. And I do like to make a few videos about it every now and then because I just like talking about it. I just like it in general. But yeah, I just want to know, has this happened to you? Do you get irritated when your car gets damaged? In this case, as I said, it's minor, whatever, but it's still something that I think is kind of a little irritating. But that's all I'm going to say for now. I'm going to drink this water here because I need to go pretty soon, and I'll talk to you later. I got to go ahead and resume running some errands, so let me know in the comment section below what you think, if you've been in this situation, and just how you feel when it happens to you. So until next time, take care. Bye-bye, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.